and welcome to Short English Stories. Today's short story is Hannah's first day at a new school and is suitable for learners at an A2 level who are seeking more challenging material. First, we will listen to the audio with no subtitles. Hannah is 12 years old. She has brown hair and green eyes. She loves reading, drawing and eating strawberries. Last month, her family moved to a new city because her dad got a new job. Today is Hannah's first day at her new school. She wakes up at 6:30 a.m. She is a little scared. What if no one talks to me? She asks her mum at breakfast. Her mum gives her a hug. Don't worry, just smile, be kind, and everything will be okay. Hannah wears her favourite jeans and a yellow sweater. She puts her books in her backpack and takes a deep breath. When she arrives at school, the building looks big and modern. There are many students outside. Some are talking, some are playing with a ball, and some are looking at their phones. In the classroom, the teacher says, "Good morning, class. This is Hannah. She is new here." Everyone looks at her. Hannah feels nervous, but says, "Hi," with a small smile. "Welcome, Hannah," says the teacher. "You can sit next to Sarah." Sarah is a girl with curly black hair and big glasses. She smiles and says, "Hi, I'm Sarah. Do you like drawing?" "Yes," Hannah replies. "I love drawing animals." Sarah laughs. "Me too. I draw horses all the time." During the maths lesson, Hannah doesn't understand one exercise. She feels shy, but Sarah whispers, "Don't worry, I can help you after class." Hannah nods. She feels better. At lunch, Sarah invites Hannah to sit at her table. There are two other students, Leo and Max. They talk about their favourite movies and music. Hannah listens and then shares that she likes comics and plays the piano. "That's cool," says Max. "We have a music club. You should join." Hannah smiles with delight as she replies, "That sounds like great fun." After lunch, they go outside for a break. Hannah and Sarah walk together. They laugh about the pizza in the cafeteria. It was too salty. When school ends, Hannah meets her mum at the gate. "So, how was it?" her mum asks. Hannah smiles and says, "It was good. I was scared, but I made a friend, maybe even 3. Her mum hugs her again. "I'm proud of you." Now, let's listen to the audio again, but this time with text and pictures. Hannah is 12 years old. She has brown hair and green eyes. She loves reading, drawing and eating strawberries. Last month, her family moved to a new city because her dad got a new job. Today is Hannah's first day at her new school. She wakes up at 6:30 a.m. She is a little scared. What if no one talks to me? She asks her mum at breakfast. Her mum gives her a hug. Don't worry, just smile, be kind, and everything will be okay. Hannah wears her favourite jeans and a yellow sweater. She puts her books in her backpack and takes a deep breath. When she arrives at school, the building looks big and modern. There are many students outside. Some are talking, some are playing with a ball, and some are looking at their phones. In the classroom, the teacher says, "Good morning, class. This is Hannah. She is new here." Everyone looks at her. Hannah feels nervous, but says, "Hi," with a small smile. "Welcome, Hannah," says the teacher. "You can sit next to Sarah." Sarah is a girl with curly black hair and big glasses. She smiles and says, "Hi, I'm Sarah. Do you like drawing?" "Yes," Hannah replies. "I love drawing animals." Sarah laughs. "Me too. I draw horses all the time." During the maths lesson, Hannah doesn't understand one exercise. She feels shy, but Sarah whispers, "Don't worry, I can help you after class." Hannah nods. She feels better. At lunch, Sarah invites Hannah to sit at her table. There are 2 other students, Leo and Max. They talk about their favourite movies and music. Hannah listens and then shares that she likes comics and plays the piano. "That's cool," says Max. "We have a music club. You should join." Hannah smiles as she replies, "That sounds like great fun." After lunch, they go outside for a break. Hannah and Sarah walk together. They laugh about the pizza in the cafeteria. It was too salty. When school ends, Hannah meets her mum at the gate. "So, how was it?" her mum asks. Hannah smiles and says, "It was good. I was scared, but I made a friend, maybe even 3. Her mum hugs her again. "I'm proud of you." Now, let's test your listening and reading skills with these true or false comprehension questions. True or false? Question 1. Hannah is 14 years old. The answer is false. She is 12 years old. Question 2. Hannah is excited and happy on her first day. The answer is false. She is a little scared. Question 3. The teacher asks the class to say hello to Hannah. This is true. Question 4. Sarah and Hannah both like to draw. The answer is true. They both like to draw animals. Question 5. At lunch, Hannah sits alone. This is false. She sits with Sarah, Max, and Leo. And question 6. Hannah doesn't talk to anyone all day. The answer is false. She talks to many people. Now, let's try some multiple choice questions. Try to choose the right answer. Question 1. Why did Hannah move to a new city? Was it A, her family wanted a bigger house? B, her mum started a new job? Or C, her dad got a new job? The answer is C, her dad got a new job. Question 2. What does Hannah wear on her first day? Was it A, a dress and sandals? B, jeans and a yellow sweater? Or C, black pants and a red t-shirt? The answer is B, jeans and a yellow sweater. Question 3. What subject does Hannah have trouble with? Was it A, English, B, science, or C, maths? The answer is C, maths. And finally, question 4. Who helps Hannah during the school day? Was it A, Leo, B, Sarah, or C, Max? The answer is B, Sarah. We hope you found this helpful and thanks for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. See you next time.